Hi, this is Jesse back. Today we'll show about the lesson 2 and how to draw the lines and how to draw the lines in angle. What is coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system or polar coordinate system, etc. etc. And what is grid, about the grid command also, and snapping, etc. First of all, we will show you about the grid command. For grid command, we have to write grid and then enter, and it will just ask about the spacing, and then we'll write suppose 2 and then enter. We can see the grids are here. To watch it in zoom mode, then we have to write Z, then all enter. We can see the grid points here. So if we want to draw lines, we have to uh, command snap. If we do not use snap, then we cannot draw lines at on points. Suppose if I want to draw uh, lines on points, it's very hard to draw lines on. I have to write snap command. So I'm just showing how to snap. First of all, grid command and then spacing 2. Then you have to write the snap, enter, and the same spacing of grid spacing. Something to grid, enter, then spect. I have to write the another command spect. A is the letter of spect command, and then here you have to specify the horizontal spacing, suppose 1, and then vertical spacing, suppose 2. Enter. Now you have to snap, enter. A for spect, and then 1 for horizontal, 2 for vertical. Now you are ready to draw lines on grid points. You can easily draw lines on grid points accurately. After finishing the drafting on grid points, then you can just press F7 to remove the grid points. Now your object is clear and you can see the object without grid points. There is another command, that is erase command. Then you have to write E for erase, then you can press enter. Just select the line and then press enter. It will automatically removed. This, that is called erase command. E enter. There is two type of selection, and one is cross selection and other is window selection. Window selection is from left to right, and cross selection is right to left. The difference between window selection and cross selection is if the if any single part of object is just selected by cross selection, then it will just select the whole object or line. But if the whole object is not selected in window selection, it will not select the whole object, and it will just reject that object, and it will select the object. This is the cross selection, then enter. You can see the object is selected here. Now we will show you about the window selection. Here we can see just the full part, which lines are fully selected. That lines are just showing here, other parts are not selected. This is the difference. Now I will show you about the coordinate system and rectangular coordinate system and polar coordinate system. If we want to find out the 0 point workplace or our base of AutoCAD, then how can we get that 0 0 point. To get 0 0 point you have to write, and then we'll write 0 comma 0, enter. Just got the point 0 0 point, and from here we can go left, right, or anywhere. This line is straight because ortho is on. If ortho is off, just then we can draw the lines at any angle. Suppose we will draw object from 0 0 point, and that is then 5 10 comma 15 0 0. Suppose we draw an object from 0 0 point. To find out the 0 0 or the position of any point, we can find out of any point by writing id and click on it. We can see the point is in x-axis is 5, y-axis 0 0, z-axis is 0 0, and by this way we can write id, then enter, then find out another point. Then we can see x-axis is 5, y-axis is 10, z-axis 0 0. This was the rectangular coordinate system.